Unlocking Online Wealth, a step-by-step guide to master affiliate profits. Are you ready to turn your online earning dreams into reality? Introduction to Master Affiliate Profits. This means that you can kickstart your online earning journey without any financial barriers holding you back. Benefits of joining my team. Opportunity to fast-track your online earning journey. Membership levels and earning potential. As we delve into the world of online earning with Master Affiliate Profits, understanding the various membership levels and their associated earning potential is crucial. Access to premium tools, training, and bonuses empowers you to maximize your earning potential and achieve greater success in the online money-making space. Everyone will want to work their way to Platinum-level membership. Platinum benefits include a whopping 75% commission plus a Tier 2 commission of 25%. That's game-changing. Exclusive bonuses and resources. As a member of my team and a part of the Master Affiliate Profits community, you are entitled to exclusive bonuses and resources that will accelerate your journey towards financial success in the realm of online earning and affiliate marketing. Conclusion: taking the first step towards financial success. As we wrap up our discussion on Master Affiliate Profits and the exciting opportunities it offers for online earning and financial success, I want to leave you with some final thoughts and encouragements. Enrolling through my link is not just about accessing a platform, it's about joining a community dedicated to your growth and prosperity. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to enhance your online earning potential, Master Affiliate Profits offers a platform where we can work together towards our goals.